Your front door does more than provide a way in and out of your home. It protects your family, improves energy efficiency, enhances curb appeal, and plays a big role in your home's overall security. If your current door isn't performing the way it should, it may be time to consider professional door installation in Richland Hills. Here are some clear signs that replacing your door could be one of the smartest upgrades you make this year. You feel drafts near the door. Have you noticed a steady draft even when the door is fully closed? In Richland Hills, where temperatures can swing from hot summers to chilly winter nights, a poorly sealed door can make your HVAC system work overtime. If you feel warm air creeping in during summer or cold air seeping through in winter, your door may have worn weather stripping, gaps around the frame, or warping that prevents a tight seal. Over time, this can lead to higher energy bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. A new, properly installed door can restore comfort and improve energy efficiency almost immediately. Your energy bills keep climbing while rising energy costs can have multiple causes. An old or damaged door is often an overlooked contributor. If your heating and cooling bills have steadily increased and your insulation seems fine elsewhere, your door could be the weak point. Modern doors are designed with improved insulation and tighter seals to reduce energy loss. Upgrading to a new door can help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce monthly utility expenses. Visible damage or warping. Take a close look at your door's surface and frame. Do you see cracks, dents, peeling paint, rust, or soft spots? Wood doors can rot over time, especially with exposure to moisture. Metal doors can rust or dent. Even fiberglass doors can show signs of wear after years of use. Warping is a particularly common issue in areas with fluctuating humidity and temperature. A warped door may not close properly or may stick when opening and closing. Beyond being inconvenient, this can compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. If repairs no longer restore proper function or appearance, it's likely time to schedule door installation in Richland Hills. Difficulty opening or closing door should open and close smoothly without sticking, scraping, or requiring extra force. If you find yourself pushing hard to latch it or lifting the handle to make it align properly, the door or frame may have shifted. This can happen due to foundation settling, frame damage, or simple aging of materials. While minor alignment issues can sometimes be adjusted, persistent problems often indicate the need for a new, properly fitted door. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things guests and neighbors notice. If your door looks faded, outdated, or mismatched with your home's current style, it can drag down your curb appeal. Upgrading your door offers an opportunity to refresh your home's exterior with modern designs, decorative glass, bold colors, or sleek hardware. Whether you want a contemporary look or a classic style, new door installation can dramatically enhance your home's appearance and potentially increase its value. Concerns about security. An older door with worn locks, a weakened frame, or thin materials may not provide the level of protection you want for your family. If your door feels flimsy or you've experienced issues with the locking mechanism, it's wise to consider an upgrade. New doors are built with reinforced cores, stronger frames, and advanced locking systems that provide improved security. Replacing your door can give you peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. Excess noise from outside. If you hear every passing car, barking dog, or conversation from the sidewalk, your door may not be insulating against sound effectively. Modern doors are designed to reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Don't wait until it fails completely. Many homeowners wait until their door is severely damaged before considering replacement. However, addressing issues early can prevent larger problems like water damage, structural deterioration, or escalating energy costs. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to explore professional door installation in Richland Hills. A new door can improve comfort, security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, all while giving your home a fresh, updated look.